the sound of yesterday still echoes in my heart, like an old road that never truly ends. The sun slipped low beyond the hills as evening found its way. An old guitar leaned by the window, waiting there to play. The radio found a familiar tune from another place and time, and every note became a photograph of a life that once was mine. Some memories fade like autumn leaves, some remain forever green. The sound of yesterday still carries me away to dusty roads and summer skies where love was never far away. The sound of yesterday still whispers through the pines. Every melody reminds my soul that the best days never truly die. We chase the sunset down old highways with nothing left to prove, just an old pickup, a wooden guitar, and dreams we couldn't lose. The wind would sing in harmony as the stars lit up the night. Those simple moments became treasures, shining in the fading light. Though the years keep moving on, the music stays the same. The sound of yesterday still carries me away to quiet towns and country roads where our laughter learned to stay. The sound of yesterday still warms this weary heart. Every chord becomes a memory that time can't pull apart. If tomorrow brings another sunrise and another road to roam, I'll carry every song we've shared like a compass leading home. Because every string and every chorus keeps yesterday alive. As long as someone sings these songs, our memories survive. sound of yesterday. Still calls my name, like the evening breeze. It never fades, it never fades.